stew peas and white rice for dinner today. Isn't that right, Mom? Every single time I'm like, guys, I'm gonna be showing you, okay, how mommy does this and how she does it, and I'll be posting it on her channel. I'm not being funny, but on Sundays I'm really tired,
Me too.
and she's really tired as well because
I'm really tired.
we're like literally gearing up for the following day to go back to work. I'm really tired, guys.
Not me.
Oh, she's off tomorrow, but for me to really give that full 100% in how she cooks this, how she does that,
Yes,
I have
very
to,
hard.
yeah, I have to, yeah, but I can't get the words out. I have to, I have to be in the mood. I have to have the energy to say, right, what you're gonna cook today? Let us show. And then I'll post it on Joanne Homemade Meals channel, okay? But bear with me, bear with me. I just need a proper holiday to sort that. Seen that I've posted a video of my niece's poster about her hair contact information. Guys, please go and support her. She's right in Jamaica. You all know we ladies, we love to look super amazing. Go and get yourself glammed up. I mean, some people say that I actually look more younger without the makeup. Others, I don't know, I just think it's the water is in my face. Oh well. Yeah, but yes, go and get yourself glammed up, makeup and every single thing. And that back to school, guys, the weave on, the braids, you name it, everything, she can nail it. And if you need a little bit of massage because your shoulders tense, like you need to go to Jamaica to get a toilet to sort you out. As I was saying, it's stew peas and white rice and just vegetables gonna be for dinner. I can't wait. And mom is gonna make a little bit of vegetable there. If you know, you know, and especially if you're from the Caribbean, you know what I'm talking about. Stew peas goes really well with white rice. I mean, of course, you can have it whatever that you want to have it with, but the go-to is white rice, plain rice, okay? And I really cannot wait. Guys, please remember to go and check my mom's channel out. There's some videos there. It's Joanne Homemade Meals, or you can find us on Instagram at Joanne Homemade Meals as well. Okay. Delicious stew peas, pigtail. That looks so amazing.
I'll throw some milk in.
You're gonna throw some milk. Perfect.
Natural coconut milk. Natural. It's boiling a hit.
It's gonna have for dinner today. It's gonna be stew peas, and of course this goes really well with white rice. Yeah. Oh, that looks so good. I can't because that thing is on, so I don't think I'll be hearing. I'm trying to, yeah. Stew peas is looking glowing. Now you're just gonna add your Scotch bonnet pepper and some thyme, and of course some scallion as well.
There's a thyme.
Yeah, no, thyme is all there.
Garlic in it as well too.
Good.
Yeah.
Of course.
Let me mix some.
With the spinach there.
Yeah.
You're gonna roll them and drop them in there now.
Want everything to, you know?
Ooh, they look so cute, tiny and cute. Just dropping a little bit of that spinach there. No, mom is a bit fast, so you're not even gonna see.
I'm fast. Okay, see there?
Your spinach is so cute. Of course. So you blended that pimento berries there. It added a lot of spice, to be fair, I must say, and a piece of butter. Yes. And then we're gonna add a little bit of black pepper as well, and then we're gonna add a little bit of garlic powder. And do remember, guys, that when you're cooking your food, you add whatever you like. I've always said that when I'm doing videos for my mom. With the pigtail as well, you need to be mindful of the salt, the quantity of salt, because it's a pigtail is a little bit already like salty, isn't it?
Yes.
And sometimes we have to boil it off a little bit for
And I do that.
yeah, but even so, I think the ones in Jamaica back in the days, they are really salty, isn't it? I remember sometimes we have to like boil them off 5 times, but the ones here foreign wise is a bit more under control. That looks so good. You need to smell our kitchen. It's packed with coconut flavor. I'm just a pot taster, to be honest. as all I do, I just taste the pot and I will say if it need a little bit of this, I need a little bit of that. But I love stew peas. Stew peas is also my mom's favorite. And I also love the brown stew chicken, the fried and cooked down chicken, country style. Yes, they have all different kind of posh name to these chicken nowadays. I couldn't care less, to be honest with you, but I love the way how my mom cooks in general. She cooks so good. Yes, rice pot is rising. It's quite white, very white. Do you wash it with wash brush?
No, bleach. Sure.
It looks really good. Goes well with the stew peas. Dinner is being served. Absolutely delicious. Stew peas, a bit of fried chicken, a bit of vegetable here, some cabbage, carrot, and tomato, and of course white rice with this seen. So I'm gonna have this now. And actually, you know what? To be fair, even though drinks is good to go down, I think like something with stew peas, you need to have your water as well.
Yeah.
Do you know that? Yes. Perfect. Especially this little area. You see this little pot here? You see this? It's delicious. Some point, let's get water now. It's my dinner. Thank you, Mom. Thank you so much.
You're welcome, my darling.
Dinner was amazing. I had my lovely, delicious stew peas with pigtail and white rice, of course, cooked with love by my wonderful mom. Now we're going to relax and we're going to watch a bit of telly. And she's off tomorrow, but I am actually working tomorrow and of course, for the entire week, as you know. But I'm going to reset myself, okay? But I just want to say thank you so much for watching my channel. If you're also new, you happen to come across my video, my channel, you can basically give me a little bit of like. You can subscribe to the channel, of course. You can engage with me in the comment section and we can support one to another. I will leave you right here by saying many thanks and I hope you enjoy my Sunday with Mom.